See, when you need it to go down, it don't go down. Yeah, that's why I'm done with you. That's why I'm on to something, girl. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and demo for you guys regarding this ring light that I picked up. Guess where I got it from? Here it is here, guys. Just take a quick guess. Which is Amazon. Nope, I did not get this from Amazon. Girl, I got this from Walmart. Girl, yes. What I love about that is that Walmart is local. I can ride right up the street if there's something wrong with this. I don't have to worry about shipping it back, waiting days for it to come back in the mail, whatever the case may be. I have my receipt. Honey, if there's anything wrong, I will be riding right back up to Walmart for exchange or a refund. But yes, guys, I have been in the market for a new ring light, and sometimes I can be a little impatient. I don't know if it's the Taurus in me, but yeah, so I have a hard time sometimes waiting for things to come when I order them. So I was at Walmart just looking around, and this caught my eye, girl. 12-inch ring light with the tripod and the Bluetooth remote. Yes, the Bluetooth remote came with it, girl. You cannot beat that. Like, here it is again, guys. And I have been sitting on this for about 2 weeks, waiting to film an unboxing for you guys so that I can go ahead and open this up and start to use it. I don't know if you saw my last unboxing. I will link it here where I got the ring light from Best Buy. That one was a little baby ring light. You know, I got that one when I first started my channel about 6 months ago. I think it was maybe 6 inches. So I'm on to bigger and better things with the 12-inch ring light. You won't be able to tell me anything. But yes, guys, this is from Bower. I don't know how to pronounce the name. But again, here we go. So this one, just as my other one, comes with the tripod. But this tripod seems to be better than my last one. I don't know if you saw my last video, but that tripod, when it's extended, was a no-go. And like I said, this one has a 12-inch ring light, so it's going to be... it's gonna be on, girl. So guys, this kit comes with everything that I need. I have the phone mount holder, the tripod, which seems to be a better quality than my last one, as well as the bigger and better ring light, 12 inches coming through. Yes. So this thing cost me $35.88. And again, I did get that from Walmart. And like I said, I have my receipt. I have my receipt, okay? But yes, guys, I'm so excited to unbox this so that I can go ahead and start to use this for my videos. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is what was inside of the box. Here is the ring light here. This is the instruction pamphlet. We have the tripod over here, as well as the attachments for the phone holder and the Bluetooth remote. Guys, let me show y'all the ring light I was using before. Damn! That is a major difference. I got this when I first started my YouTube channel. Again, I will link the card above just in case you're in the market to get yours from Best Buy, or you're just starting out, or you just need something small. But yes, this is the one that I was using before, and this is the one that I will be using now. Look at that. That is just so much of a difference. But girl, let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and get these things unpackaged. All right, guys, I got everything unpackaged. And again, this tripod seems like it's going to be a whole lot better than my last one. A lot more sturdier, because that one, oh child, But I have the ring light here. It's already plugged up. Let's just do a quick test. Okay, then. That is at the brightest setting. I'm going to go down. Okay, so that gets pretty bright as I expected. So let's get this tripod up and extended so that we can go ahead and film the end of this video. So it looks like this one just pushes out. Oh, never mind, I got it. So this is cool. In comparison to my last tripod, this one definitely seems to be more sturdy. The other one I had, you would have to pull off the ends of the tripod, which I will show you as well. And when it's extended fully, it is not a good look. But this one seems like it's going to be awesome. So it seems like I could just unscrew these, untighten these here and just extend it up. Tighten them back. Oh, I like that. So once you tighten them all, you can leave it extended or shorten it if you need to. Alright guys, so I have the tripod extended and I have the ring light on. I must say that this tripod is a lot sturdier than my last one. I am loving this setup. I can extend or shorten this tripod as I need to. These little contraptions here allow me to do so. All I need to do is tighten them up. So yes, I am loving this. And again, we are on to bigger and better things with this ring light. And this phone stand is a flexible phone stand, which is nice as well. So yes, guys, I'm so excited. This is definitely a great purchase. As I mentioned, $35, girl, $35. So I did just want to show you guys again, this is the one that I was using before with the short tripod. Although it does extend, when the legs are extended, they are not sturdy. They do tend to slip back into original place. That I did get this one from Best Buy. It's just this tripod, when it's extended, is a no-go. You're supposed to twist it and kind of lock it. It does not always work. It's not good. I would much rather have this type of tripod where I can extend it, lock it, and it does not move. It stays in place. But like I said, it got me through the last 6 months, girl. So if you're in need of a tripod and a ring light, you're just starting out, let me know. I will give this one to you for free. So yes, and again, like I said, this one has 10 levels of brightness as well. Comes with the phone mount and the tripod. This one does not have the remote, such as the one that I just got. But like I said, it's for free. So let me know. You may just have to pay for shipping if you're not local to me or if it exceeds what I want to pay. But yes, I will be giving this one away for free. So if you're someone that's in need, you're just starting your channel, or you just need a good ring light and a little tripod, I got you. Guys, I do want to thank you all for watching. As you just saw, we unboxed this new tripod and ring light that I am now using. So I hope the quality of the video is still up to par. As I mentioned, I will be giving this one away for free. This is the ring light that I got when I first started on my channel. It's by Sunpack. And I believe, like I said, this one is 6 inches. It does come with a tripod. But my gripe with this tripod is that when this is extended, you see how skinny this gets? Like some legs may stay open like it needs to, some may not. You see, even if you lock it, it's not right. But if it's someone that's just going to use this for a sit down, then this would be perfect for you. But like I said, I do want to thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Comment down below and let me know what type of ring light you're using. Actually, let me know what size ring light you're using. I'm thinking I'm doing pretty good with a 12-inch, but I've seen as big as 18 and 20 inches. So let me know what size you're using for your videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. See, when you need it to go down, it don't go down. Yeah, that's why I'm done with you. That's why I'm on to something, girl. I'm like legit gonna break a nail trying to close this thing down. So frustrating. Shit. Yeah, if you want to just use this, let me know. You can have it.